How to track your job applications on Indeed easily. To track your job application, the steps are very simple. Firstly, you will need to go to your Indeed account. On your account only, you will see the option My Jobs. Click on it. Then you will see different sections such as Applied, Saved, Interviewing, and Archived. In Applied, you will see jobs you have applied to directly through Indeed. In the Saved section, you will see jobs that you have bookmarked. If recruiters mark you as being in the interview stage, then it will be available in the interviewing section. In the Indeed official support website, you will find all the answers to your questions. To be more managed, you can also use application reminders. There are different kind of reminders such as Google Calendar, Notion, or Excel. These are used to track date applied, status, contact info, and notes. If you are finding it hard to search for your applied jobs, you can also use emails to search. Search your email for Indeed application confirmation or thank you for applying. That's all for today. Thank you.